Hi, it's Yvonne here from Calabria Property Services. We've had a lot of inquiries recently for people wanting to renovate property here in Calabria. So we thought it would be a good idea to give you some tips and hints on things to look for and questions to ask if renovating a property here in Calabria is your dream. When you visit the property, it is important to determine how many owners the property has. Many rural properties here can have a number of owners due to the inheritance laws, and they all need to be in agreement before they can sell the property. What is required in a renovation depends on the condition of the property, but in general a full renovation includes electrical and plumbing instalments. Some structural work may be required, so you need to look at the roof and the condition of the walls. Once that's been determined, then you've got the more aesthetic parts of the renovation, which would be tiles, bathrooms, kitchen and windows, and all those need to be assessed in any renovation. After an initial visit with our clients, if they want more information, we would do a second visit and take with us our geometer and builder. They look at projects with totally different eyes and can offer practical and technical suggestions and advice. The geometer will then spend some time looking at the relevant information and researching to see what can and can't be done. As exciting as it is to realise your dream, it's worth spending a bit of time at this stage to find out what can and can't be done, rather than be disappointed after purchase and you can't do the things that you actually wanted to do. Initially, we need to ask the local commune what, if any, restrictions there are to any work that needs to be carried out. For example, are there any covenants on the land which restrict you from adding extensions or a size of extension? Also, we need to ask, is it in a seismic zone? Is it in a landslide area? Or is it covered by a legislation here called Belle Arte, which means that it's a protected area, as it could be in an area of natural beauty. For this particular legislation, we need to also ask the region of Calabria for permission, and they have to check any extension work or any work that may be required that's covered under that particular legislation. Within the framework of those restrictions, the builder then can offer practical suggestions and advice as to renovation ideas, and working together we can come and provide a project for you. If you'd like more information, please don't hesitate to contact us via our website www.calabriapropertyservices.com. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Thanks.